Welcome back to the Edwiser Page Builder tutorials. I am Sarah, and today I will show you how to create a slider with a CTA on your Moodle site. The best part? No coding skills are required. Let's get started. In this video, we will see how to add this slider section on the home page that displays a series of dynamic images and content panels with transitions. This section engages users with visually appealing content, promotes key messages, and improves user experience by efficiently conveying your message. Start by going to the home page of your Moodle site and enabling the edit mode. Now select the appropriate region for your block. Here I will choose the full width top area. Next, click the Add a Block button to open our block library. Next, let's add this slider block by simply clicking on it. The block is added to the page. We can move this block to the top of the other blocks using the up arrow keys. Fantastic! You've added your block, but now let's click on Live Customizer to match your style and content. Click on the canvas to view the settings in the left panel. Now let's edit the title and title color of our slider. With the Live Customizer, editing is easier than ever before. Now change the text of the button. To change the slider image, click the File Upload icon and select the image from the media library. Similarly, let's quickly edit the second slider as well. We can enable or disable these slider settings and set the slide interval based on our preference. Next, let's ensure the designs are responsive by using these buttons down here. We can preview the design using this preview button. Once satisfied with the changes, we can click on Save Changes and close the customizer. We can now disable the edit mode and check the final results. Congratulations! You have created a slider using the Edwiser Page Builder, now available in the Edwiser RAM UI Pro and above packs. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, and for more tutorials on Edwiser Page Builder, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you want to know about other such blocks, please request them in the comments section. Thank you!